Okay, we are doing the chapter coordination compounds, and in last class we have done the geometrical isomers for the complexes having coordination number 4. Now I will do the geometrical isomers for complexes having coordination number 6. As you know, complex compounds generally have two coordination number, that is 4 and 6. Coordination number means nothing, how many bonds present inside the complex, that is called coordination number. So if the coordination number is 4, then the structure will be square planar, and I have drawn the square planar complexes isomers. Now the complexes having coordination number 6, they have the octahedral shape, and for this octahedral shape, how to draw the cis-trans isomer, I mean geometrical isomers. So, for example, this is one of the complex, I mean type of complex whose coordination number is 6. Here M is the metal, A is one type of ligand, B is another type of ligand, 2A ligand and 4B ligand. So total number of bonds will be 6. That's why the complex is said to be octahedral complex. For example, you can take this example. Cobalt is the metal, 2 chlorine ligand, 4 water ligand. Suppose this is one of the complex, this type complex. So if you want to draw cis-trans isomer, the octahedral shape will be like this. At the center, cobalt will be present. One bond will be from this side, another bond will be from this side, another one this side, one from upward side, one from downward side. This shape is called octahedral shape. So I will draw another one to show you the cis and trans. Cobalt, now here 2 chlorine ligand present. I take the example. These two positions are in the phase. I mean these two positions are in your own phase. So when these two positions contain similar ligand, then the isomer is said to be cis isomer. And another 4 bonds, they will form. These are formed by the water. This is one H2O. Oxygen donate the electron. That's why I have drawn oxygen here. This is one H2O. This is one H2O. H2O. So 4 water produce 4 bonds, and 2 chlorine produce 2 another bonds. Total number of bonds is 6. That's why coordination number is 6. So if these two positions contain similar ligand, then the isomer is called cis isomer. And these two bonds, one is in upward, one is in downward, they are completely opposite from one another. So if this position contain one chlorine, this position contain one chlorine, then that isomer is said to be trans isomer. So in case of octahedral complexes, in case of complexes having coordination number 6, you have to draw cis and trans like this way, and the 4 water ligands should be here. H2, 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 H2. So like this way, if this type of complexes are mentioned, if you want to draw about their cis and trans isomer, you have to draw cis trans like this way. Always remember, these two positions, if these two positions contain similar ligand, they are in same phase, that's why they are called cis isomer. These two positions are completely opposite from one another, that's why they are called trans isomer. So this is one example of octahedral complex. Now I will take another example. Now I will take another example. I mean another type of complex. This is one type of complex. This also can show geometrical isomers. M is the metal. A means it is one of the bidentate ligand in which both the donor atoms are same, and B is another type of monodentate ligand. So since A is bidentate ligand, as you know, one bidentate ligand produce two bonds. There are two bidentate ligands, so they will form 4 bonds. And these two monodentate ligand will form another 2 bonds. Total number of bonds will be 6. That's why coordination number is 6. If you want to take some example, you can take this one as example. This is the example. Its name will be dichlorido bis ethylene diamine or ethane 1,2 diamine cobalt 3 ion or cobalt 3. Now, if you want to draw cis trans for these complexes, there are 2 chlorine atoms. Now, 1 chlorine you draw here, 1 chlorine you draw here. Since they are in same phase, so it becomes your cis isomer, and 1 ethylene diamine you can draw like this way, another ethylene diamine you can draw like this way. Then it is said to be cis isomer. Now, if 1 chlorine is present here, another chlorine is present here, ethylene diamine 1 is present here, another ethylene diamine present here, then it is called trans isomer. And why it is called trans isomer? Because similar ligands are on the opposite side. That's why they are called trans isomer. So this type of complexes also can show geometrical isomer, and you can draw the geometrical isomer, I mean cis trans isomer, like this way. So this is one type. Now another type I will take, that will be number 3, A3B3 type complex. M is the metal, A is one type of monodentate ligand, B is also one type of monodentate ligand. 3A produce 3 bonds, 3B produce another 3 bonds. Total number of bonds are 6. That's why coordination number 6. And if you want to write some example you can write cobalt 3 ammonia ligand monodentate and 3 water ligand or 3 chlorine ligand. This is also monodentate. Like this you can draw the complex. Its name will be triamine trichlorido cobalt 3. Now if you want to draw the cis and trans, here 3 ammonia ligand and 3 chlorine ligand. Since the number of ligands are 3, that's why it is difficult to draw the cis and trans isomer. So if you want to draw cis and trans isomer, this position, suppose 1 chlorine, this position 1 chlorine, this position 1 chlorine. Actually this position, this 3 position, they are said to be facial position, and since this 3 position contains similar ligand, that's why this is called cis isomer, or it is also called face isomer, FAC. Facial isomer or cis isomer. And this another 3 position, they will contain the ammonia ligand like this. Actually this isomer is called facial isomer. And to draw the trans, suppose 1 chlorine is present here, another chlorine is present here, another chlorine is present here. This 3 position, I mean this position, this is called meridional position. These are ammonia. 3 ammonia produce 3 another bonds. This is called trans isomer. It is also called mer isomer, MER. I mean they are present in meridional position, that's why it is short form. In short form it is called mer isomer. So these are the isomers, geometrical isomers of the complexes having coordination number 6. Thank you.